What if I told you that most people don't think, they just react? Marcus Aurelius, the Stoic emperor, believed that rational thinking was the key to inner peace and success. What does it mean to think rationally? Rational thinking means thinking based on logic, facts, and clear reasoning, not emotion or impulse. Let's break this down using the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius and modern psychology. Step 1. Slow down your thoughts. Aurelius wrote, "If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it." Rational thinking begins with observation. What exactly is happening? Not what you feel, but what is. Ask yourself, what are the facts? What do I actually know? Most people confuse their interpretation with reality. To think rationally, remove emotional noise. Let only facts speak. Now, organize your thoughts using simple if-then logic. For example, if I wake up early, I will have time to prepare calmly. This logic helps turn clarity into action. Rational thought always leads to intentional action, not emotional reaction. Now comes the most powerful step, feedback. Every decision gives feedback. Rational thinkers learn from it. Even Marcus tested his beliefs through journaling. Want to think more rationally? Start a thought journal. Now let's talk about common thinking traps. Trap number 1. Thinking in extremes. Life is rarely black or white. Trap number 2. Letting emotions guide decisions. Trap number 3. Personal bias. Just because it feels true doesn't mean it is. Marcus Aurelius trained himself to question his first reaction. Let's test your thinking. Ready? If someone cuts you off in traffic, do you assume they're evil or consider they may have an emergency? Rational thinkers leave room for multiple explanations. They ask better questions. What else could be true? Now let's add one more Stoic principle: control what you can. Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Thinking rationally doesn't mean suppressing emotions, but understanding them. Label your emotion. Is this anger, fear, ego, or sadness? Once labeled, you can ask, what is this emotion trying to tell me? Emotions are messengers, not masters. So now we combine it all: facts, logic, emotion awareness, action, and feedback. This is the rational thinking loop. The better you get at this loop, the clearer your thinking becomes. And the clearer your thinking, the better your life decisions become. This is how Marcus Aurelius ruled an empire with wisdom, not emotion. You don't need to be an emperor to use these tools. Let's apply this rational loop to a real-life situation. Career decisions. Step 1. What are the facts? One job pays more. One offers better work-life balance. Step 2. What emotions are involved? Fear of missing out? Pressure from others? Step 3. What's your logical if-then? If I value peace more than money, then job B is the better choice. Step 4. Take action. Choose based on reason, not pressure. Step 5. Reflect. After a few months, how do you feel about your choice? This is how you remove confusion and gain confidence, by thinking rationally. Another example, YouTube creators' overthinking content strategy. If I create valuable content that solves a real problem, then views will come. That's a rational, testable thought. Now execute it. Get feedback. Are people engaging? Watch time, comments? Use feedback to refine your thinking. Adapt, test again. Rational thinking, it's not cold, it's powerful. It brings calm to chaos. That's what Marcus Aurelius did. He faced war, plague, and betrayal calmly. Because he trained his mind like a warrior. Today our battles are mental. Not swords, but distractions, emotions, and confusion. You can become a modern-day Stoic, someone who thinks clearly, acts calmly, and lives wisely. Start with one simple step. Each morning, write one if-then thought you want to live by. Then act on it, review the result, and repeat. That's how rational thinkers evolve. Because as Marcus Aurelius proved, a calm mind is stronger than any storm. If this helped you think more clearly, subscribe and join our mission to make philosophy practical.